Oh, here it is.
Okay, coming. Go ahead and activate it.
Yeah. If the beetle one-shots it. I'm just gonna watch it. Look at the beetle! Look at the beetle. I haven't touched the boss.
Yeah, he's fucking it up.
Look at that.
Yeah, he's fucking it up. I don't know what this boss is doing though. Like, just laser us. Bot. Come on, hit me.
There.
Yeah, that's the wrong hit though. Laser ring. He's literally not.
I'm about to die, but
Oh, you're gonna die. I'm not dead. You're dead though.
oh, they're shooting you now.
Yes.
Fire. -1.
Yeah, -3.
Did he beat the boss? I revived. Oh wait, no.
I revived. I had an extra life. I had an item that gives me extra life.
Oh my. All right, good job on that.